Magandang gabi, ma'am. Ako po ulit si Dr. Noel J. Banafta, isa po akong student nurse ng Holy Trinity University. At ang gagawin po natin ngayon na therapy ay ang tinatawag natin na bibliotherapy. So, meron po ako ditong hawak-hawak na libro at ang gagawin po natin ay babasahin ko po ito sa inyo at hihingi po ako ng inyong insight or ng inyong reflection patungkol po sa kung ano po ang naramdaman nyo sa binasa ko sa inyo. So, matanong ko lang, ma'am, kung may mga nabasa na po ba kayong libro?
Opo. Siyempre, nung teenage life ko pa, like, sabi bilang, typical teenager, mahilig ka talaga magbasa ng mga romance. Siyempre, yung mga nakakakilig. Yun yung mga hilig ko basahin ng mga pocket books. Usually kasi, parang mahilig ako magbasa ng mga short story din sa mga anong platform. So, hindi ko na rin masyadong matandaan kung ano yung exact title, pero all about romance talaga.
All about romance. So, romance talaga ang pinaka-paborito niyo?
Yes, gusto ko talaga yung mga kilig feeling.
So, meron po ako ditong libro na ang title po ay A Gentle Reminder. So, babasahin ko lang po sa inyo ito, ma'am, at ang gusto ko po ay habang ko po itong binabasa, yung libro ay wag po kayo magtayo-tayo, wag po tayong aalis sa ating kinaupuan at makinig lang po tayo para po alam po natin kung ano po ang may isasagot natin. So, okay lang po ba sa inyo, ma'am?
Opo, okay lang po.
So, sige po, basahin ko na po. At sabi po dito ay, you deserve to be loved and chosen, not almost or almost chosen. So, the truth is, no one comes out of life unscathed. No one navigates their journey without experiencing certain things that leave a mark, without experiencing certain things that weigh heavily within their souls. The truth is, we have all been hurt at the hands of others. We have all been weathered by things we may not have always deserved, by jarring and unexpected circumstances. We all hold nostalgia within us, the kind that has scared our souls, the kind that swirls together hurt and hope within a human being. We are all just learning how to find understanding within those aches. We are all just learning how to seek forgiveness, how to believe in what the storms were teaching us. The truth is, we are all just trying to heal from the things we don't often talk about. We are all just trying to heal from the things we don't quite understand. And the truth is, because of that, because we have been wounded, because we have walked around within so much of our past within ourselves, because we allow for it to tell us who we are and what we are worthy of, because we allow for it to convince us of our value, we have all been the person who made the mistake. We have all been the kind of human being who could not show up. We have all been the kind of person who could not love someone beautifully, who could not connect at the time. We have all been the kind of person who fumbles within the weight of evolution, within the weight of wanting to be better, within the weight of knowing that there is a kinder version or kinder version of ourselves out there, a version that has done the work, that has been reconciled the ways in which the world wasn't always kind to it. We have all been hurt in ways we may not be able to express, in ways we may not have healed, in ways that stick. We are all just hoping that the world has compassion from us within that hurt, within the experience. We are all hoping that the world will see the ways in which we have tried to forgive ourselves from the human beings we used to be. We are all hoping that those we love will recognize our fight. We will see the ways in which we have tried to learn from the losses, the ways in which we have tried to kinder to our wounds so they do not wound others. We are all just hoping to find the kind of human beings who understand, human beings who know what it is like to hold all of that within themselves. So, sa napakinggan nyo, ma'am, maaari nyo po ba sa akin sabihin kung ano po ang inyong insight or ano po ang inyong reflection?
Okay, so, na-realize ko lang na while you reading that, dun pa lang sa deserve ko ng love na hindi, parang, hindi lang love na love lang, or muntik na maging love. Kasi ako yung nararamdaman ko, parang ako nasa isang box na, ito yung pagkakaintindi ko sa pinasa mo. Parang akong nasa box na I'm expecting a lot from other people. Ganun. While, naglo-learn ako sa mistake ko, naglo-learn ako from them, and that, yung, parang yung na-feel ko parang, hindi ko kasalanan. Hindi ko siya kasalanan. Pero meron akong part. That's why hindi ko ma-express yung sarili ko. Hindi ko makita, hindi makita ng ibang tao paano ko i-express yung sarili ko in a beautiful way. Parang meron nag-hold back sa akin kasi nga that's how the world works. Na despite sa pagiging imperfect mo, pag-expect sa sarili mo, and then paano mo intindihin yung isang bagay, hindi mo yun makukonect lahat. Kasi nga, you're just parang speck of dust within the galaxy mo. Na parang part ka lang din yun. That's how I understand as a whole yung binasa mo.
So, ayun ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ay may natutunan po tayo kung ano po ang ating napakinggan. At maraming salamat din po dahil natuto po ako sa inyong shinare nyo. So, ayun lang po ang ating therapy for today. At asahan niyo po na babalik po ulit ako next day para po sa panibagong therapy. So, maraming salamat po sa pag-participate. Again, ako nga po pala ulit si Dr. Noel J. Banafe, isa po akong student nurse ng Holy Trinity University.